I love the ANA because it's the first place that I was able to come as a young coin collector where I saw a really big community of people who were just as invested in this as I was. I was kind of a precocious 10-year-old kid who didn't have a lot of friends and didn't get out much. And so I discovered the ANA online, and I started participating in the forums online, doing as many programs as I possibly could, doing a bunch of writing, entering a bunch of writing contests. And yeah, it was the first time that I had seen a group of individuals just as dedicated to this interest as I was.
I used to be a part of a Girl Scout troop, and we went to the January Fun Show to get our Fun with Money patches, and I thought all the history behind all the coins was really, really cool, and as an artist that also appealed to me, so I was just hooked as soon as I saw all the coins and everything on the bourse floor.
I would recommend becoming a YN ANA member because it opens up a world of opportunities. You're allowed to attend summer seminar, which is quite possibly the best education you can receive in numismatics. It gives you great experience with seeing lots of coins. The instructors are all super knowledgeable, and you can forge these relationships that you can continue to use, and it's a really cool program that I wish more people knew about it and could attend.
The summer seminar is always a great time every year. Kids and adults, young and old, we all come together to just learn a lot about numismatics, not just US coins. There's world coins, currency, tokens, metals, anything numismatic that you can think of.
I love all the people here. It's always my favorite part of coming out here, just like catching up with all my old numismatic friends and everything. Not just the YNs, but all the adults and the instructors and everything. It's really like one big giant coin family, I feel. And I really get to see most of these people once, maybe twice a year if I'm lucky. So that's honestly one of my favorite parts, just kind of seeing everyone and getting to talk nothing but coins for 2 weeks. That's pretty cool.
I love coming to summer seminar because I have made so many awesome numismatic friends here. Garrett, Abby, heroes, wonderful people. And I stay in contact with them, and it's really fun because all of them have very different collecting interests from me, and so we get to sort of exchange general information while also getting to sort of nerd out over our specific interests, and it's cool because we're all on the same page with that.
My summer seminar experience has consisted of 5 years so far. I've taken grading 1, counterfeit detection, grading 2, advanced grading. Right now I'm taking the Liberty seated coinage, and then next week I will be taking advanced grading for a second time. So I've taken quite a few courses. I've loved every course I've taken. I've always been able to learn something new, and it's been a really great experience.
My seminar experience has been absolutely wonderful. Every year that I've come here, I've never regretted it. It's been absolute fun the entire time, from looking at coins the whole time to wheeling and dealing with others your age. It's just wonderful.
One of the best things about summer seminar is that I've been able to build some of these relationships with other YNs. The YNs are pretty spread out across the country, so there's not very many in each city, but those of us that meet each other at summer seminar, we always exchange phone numbers, and we'll spend the next few years talking to each other. We'll trade throughout the year, we'll be mailing coins to each other, and it's really cool because if you don't come to summer seminar and meet these other YNs, there's a good chance that you'll never meet them just because they live so far away from you. But coming to summer seminar, that really opened my eyes to how many YNs were as serious about coins as I was, and I thought that was really cool to be able to connect with them on a regular basis.
I think definitely one of the greatest parts is getting to be able to run the YN auction.
The YN auction is meant to basically provide scholarships to kids to come to summer seminar each year. And the way that the scholarships are primarily funded is through the auction. People donate lots at summer seminar or beforehand, and then all the YNs work together to catalog them, show them off at lot viewing, do running and recording of the receipts, cover the finances, basically everything. And then all the money that's raised from the auction goes towards scholarships in future years.
I have received a scholarship to come out here to the ANA Summer Seminar for the past 4 years. And last year I was named the ANA YN of the Year, so that was really cool. That's a big YN award that I've been working towards receiving for a while, so I felt very, very honored to receive that last year.
The YN benefit that I've taken part in is coins for A's.
If you get 3 or more A's in one marking period,
You are able to get a coin. And each time you get 3 A's and send in a report card, the coins get better.
so get those A's and get those coins.
The YN newsletter is a great opportunity for YNs to learn about what else is going on in the world of numismatics. It informs YNs of some of the cool opportunities that they might get to participate in, such as being a page at an ANA convention, which is a really cool opportunity that not a lot of people know about. I was a page at one of the Houston Money shows, which isn't an ANA show, but it's of a similar caliber, and it was a lot of fun. You got to meet a lot of dealers face to face, and it was a really cool experience. You got to see a lot of the coins, and all around it was something I'd like to do again.
I think my favorite part of the convention is definitely meeting all the people there, because there's so much you can learn from all these experts who have been in the field for 25, 30 plus years, and you really can go to one of those conventions and not learn something at least every hour, just because of the amount of resources you have there.
I love the Numismatist. From the huge color photos to all the interesting articles, there's something for everyone in the Numismatist. The ANA's numismatic magazine, there's just so much to learn. I love the live YN auction.
Every year for 3 years now I've been doing it, and it's great. It's energizing, it's fun, it's something that I don't get to do a whole lot. I love it.
So it's held online, and it's a really cool opportunity for YNs to get some really nice coins without spending lots of money. So how it works is there's certain activities that you complete, and you send in a form showing how you've completed them and what you've learned, and then the ANA reviews those forms and will send you a certain amount of YN dollars that can be used to bid on these lots.
I've done everything from go to summer seminar, that gets you YN dollars, attending conventions, I've given talks, I've exhibited, written a lot of articles.
Entering writing contests and projects, you can get some stuff, but my personal favorite, and this is one of my favorite summer seminar memories as well, is the library just down there at the Money Museum. Every time that you check out a book, you get 10 YN dollars. Take note, kids. And so I'll go there and I will just absolutely check out any and all books that look interesting to me, and I'll go and I'll read them. And that's my favorite way to earn YN dollars, because in addition to getting all of that and getting to participate in the auction more, I also have the chance to increase my knowledge and spend time in that amazing library, which is really cool.
I would recommend becoming a YN to other students for the simple reason that it will change your life like it has changed mine. It creates a passion.
The benefits are numerous in many ways. Not only do you get regular member benefits of the ANA, free library checkout, which is amazing, attending summer seminar, entrance to conventions, classes, online resources, the Numismatist archives, all that kind of stuff. You also get YN benefits. There's tons of programs that can help you not only build your collection, but also learn about the hobby.
I recommend that to everyone, whether or not they coin collect, and some of them give me weird looks for that, but it's amazing. It's a community of people who are passionate and interested in the world around them, and in numismatics in particular. It's a place where you can expand your knowledge, where you can gain valuable experience, both in terms of business and in education. There's not a downside.
And you also get wonderful pieces of history added to your collection. And I can ask for no more.